Hi, I'm Steve Clark of RFC of San Francisco. I'm a licensed general contractor and plumber, and today I'm going to speak about the difference between double-insulated windows and Thermopane windows. What's the difference between a double-insulated window and a Thermopane window? Well, that's like asking what's the difference between tomato and tomato. Thermopane is simply a brand name used for double-insulated windows. A double-insulated window is 2 layers of glass with argon gas in between them. The window I'm holding before me is a simple stock window that I bought at a hardware store. Luckily, windows come in various shapes and sizes, as well as different brands and quality. In the state of California, in most areas, you can only install double-glazed windows for your home. Thank you for watching today. I'm Steve Clark, general contractor and plumber of RFC of San Francisco, and today we spoke about the difference between double-insulated windows and Thermopane windows.